Got a Delta faucet here. When you turn the water on, I have the water off now, but it's leaking out around the handle here. So we're going to rebuild the faucet here. See how it's all wet around here at the top. Take the cap off. Paper towel here, because when you pull this out, I'm going to get some water. Ball still looks like it's in pretty good shape, so we'll reuse that. Got a Delta repair kit here. Take this off.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you? Busy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Has that replaced already?
No,
No,
just
you're
taking
just-
it apart.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yep. Getting it apart and I rebuild it for you. Replace the O-rings here for the spout, and then rebuild the cartridge here, the seats and springs.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's probably worn out, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Alright. Now replace these O-rings for the spout. One there. Get this one down here. Okay. Paper towel. Put some grease on them. Make them last a little longer. Spouts on. Now to get the old seats and springs out of here. Seat and spring tool. Okay, put them in. Okay, see the hole, the seat where it goes, put it in there. That's it. And the ball, there's a little groove over here, right on the side there. That's where that goes. Set the ball there. Then your seal and the cap. Little notch for that to go in. And get the cap. Oh, turned on me. It's hard to keep that in there. Okay, got the water back on. Give it a test. I'm just wipe any grease or water that was laying around here from before. It's not dripping. It's not coming out the top anymore. It's rebuilding the Delta faucet.